my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye, and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair color, and hair dye idea, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you some trendy and outstanding hairstyles. So please watch this video till the end so that you will not miss any haircut or hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, just screenshot of your haircut or hair color which you want. By showing the picture, you can easily get this haircut from any salon. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And friends who do not follow and subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, so guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. And if you like my videos, please share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And the people who do not subscribe to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel and show some love.